Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best laundry separator is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential tools for any modern household aiming for efficiency and garment longevity, transforming the mundane chore of sorting clothes into a streamlined process that saves time and prevents color bleeding or fabric damage, ultimately ensuring your favorite outfits stay vibrant and intact wash after wash. Number 5. Storage Maniac 4-Section Laundry Sorter. Introducing a revolutionary way to manage your laundry. This large-capacity sorter is designed to simplify your chores and keep your space tidy. With 4 spacious compartments, each holding up to 45 liters, it easily accommodates family-sized laundry loads. Enjoy ample space for all your washing needs. The individual laundry bags lift out effortlessly with sturdy handles, making trips to the washer a breeze. Their durable, waterproof lining ensures longevity and easy cleaning. Glide it anywhere with its heavy-duty casters, and lock 2 wheels in place for stability. Moving and securing your laundry sorter has never been easier. Built with a robust, rust-resistant frame and reinforced supports, it guarantees exceptional stability, even when fully loaded. It's designed to last. Pre-sort your clothes by color or fabric type to keep your laundry area, bedroom, or bathroom clutter-free. Reduce stress and streamline your laundry routine. What we like. This option offers a generous 4-section capacity, perfect for large families or those who do multiple loads. The removable bags make transporting laundry a breeze. If you have a big household and need to sort a lot of laundry, this is the one for you. What people say. The laundry separator is a game changer for organizing my laundry room. It has multiple compartments that make sorting clothes by color or fabric type a breeze. I love the sturdy construction of this laundry separator. The materials used are high quality and it feels like it will last for a long time. The design is also sleek and modern, fitting well with my home decor. This laundry separator has significantly reduced the time I spend on laundry. The compartments are spacious enough to hold a good amount of clothes, and the wheels make it easy to move around. Number 4. Storage Maniac 3-Section Laundry Sorter. Introducing the Storage Maniac 3-Section Laundry Sorter, designed to simplify your laundry routine. Keep your clothes neatly separated and ready for washing day. With a total capacity of 135 liters, this sorter easily handles family-sized loads. Each of its 3 compartments supports up to 25 pounds, ensuring no laundry pile is too big. The individual laundry bags lift out effortlessly with sturdy handles, making transport to the washing machine a breeze. Their waterproof lining ensures durability and easy cleaning. Navigate your home with ease thanks to the 4 heavy-duty casters. 2 of these wheels lock securely, keeping the sorter stable when you need it to stay put. Built with a robust, rust-resistant frame and reinforced supports, this laundry organizer is designed for long-lasting stability, even when fully loaded. Pre-sort your lights, darks, and delicates with its 3-compartment design. This helps maintain a tidy space and reduces stress on laundry day. What we like. With a 3-section design, this sorter is great for managing different types of clothing. The removable bags and smooth mobility are key conveniences. If you're looking for a solid, mid-sized sorter that's easy to move around, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The 3 separate sections are the real game changer. I sort lights, darks, and towels as we go, which saves so much time on laundry day. The bags are roomy and can handle a surprising amount of clothes without sagging. I also appreciate that they're easy to remove and carry to the washer. It rolls smoothly but was a bit wobbly on carpet, which is a given since there's weight in it. The size fit perfectly into the little laundry nook I have. I'm glad my pre-measurements were correct. Number 3. VASAGLE Laundry Hamper UBLH301B01. Tired of laundry piles? This hamper makes sorting a breeze with 3 separate compartments, each holding up to 10.6 gallons. Need extra space? The top shelf provides a convenient spot for organizing items or displaying decor. Its slatted design also helps with air circulation. Keeping things clean is simple. The bags easily detach thanks to hook and loop fasteners, making them ready for washing whenever needed. Built to last, its robust metal frame and durable shelf can hold up to 55 pounds. Plus, adjustable feet ensure it stays steady on any surface. Perfect for your laundry room, bathroom, or bedroom, this hamper adds both function and style to any space. What we like? This laundry hamper combines sorting with extra utility thanks to its convenient top shelf. The pull-out bags are easy to manage, and it boasts a stylish look. If you appreciate a blend of function and aesthetics, and need a surface for folding or storage, this is an excellent pick. What people say. Setup was very simple, and it is very stable and sturdy even when full of laundry and with items on the top shelf. The drawers slide out very easily and keep the laundry out of sight in an elegant manner. It holds a medium-sized load of laundry easily in each basket. Number 2. Laundry Turtle Large Collapsible Laundry Basket. Tired of laundry day hassles? Introducing the Laundry Turtle, a revolutionary collapsible laundry basket designed to make transferring clothes seamless. Say goodbye to lost socks and dropped items forever. This innovative hamper transforms laundry day into a breeze. Easily carry your clean clothes from washer to dryer to drawers without losing a single item. It's laundry made simple and practical. Designed to work with any front-loading washer and dryer, it comes in 2 sizes to ensure a perfect fit for your machines. Just measure the internal dimensions and choose the best option. Streamline your laundry routine with this premium collapsible basket. Simply place it inside your washer or dryer, rotate the drum, and gather all your clothes at once. It's incredibly easy. Crafted from durable lycra, this basket is built to last, unlike flimsy plastic alternatives. Its foldable design allows for easy storage, ready to pop up whenever laundry calls. Eliminate back strain with this innovative hamper. It allows you to scoop up fallen laundry with ease, avoiding the need to bend down. Laundry day just got much more comfortable. What we like? This innovative product revolutionizes laundry transfer by allowing you to scoop clothes directly from the washer or dryer. Its collapsible nature makes it easy to store. If you dislike bending over and want a truly seamless laundry process, this is a game changer. What people say. It has made moving laundry from one place to the next so much easier. I especially love that I can slip it right into the dryer, spin the drum, and scoop the clothes straight onto the turtle. It saves time and keeps everything contained without clothes falling everywhere. When I'm done, it collapses down easily and does not take up much space. Works exactly as described. Makes removing laundry from dryer super easy and only one trip. No more dropping socks and things. I like it comes with a hanger also to attach to the dryer or wherever. This is exactly perfect for getting everything out of the dryer at once, folding it together like a taco, and carrying it to the folding area. I got the large and it fits well in my dryer, a very deep heat. It's easy to open and it seems to be high quality and should last a long time. Number 1. Simple Houseware 3 Bags Laundry Sorter. Introducing our 3-bag laundry sorter, designed to simplify your laundry routine. It makes organizing clothes a breeze. Need more hanging space? The extensible rod easily adjusts from 30 to 48 inches, providing flexible storage for your garments. Each of the 3 gray bags offers a 13-gallon capacity, perfect for holding substantial amounts of laundry. They are easily removable for convenience. Equipped with 4 sturdy casters, this sorter glides effortlessly across any floor. Moving it from room to room is no longer a chore. Its modern silver frame complements any decor, making it a stylish addition to your bedroom, dorm, or apartment. It's both functional and attractive. Despite its compact footprint, it offers ample storage with its 3 large bags and adjustable hanging rod. It's the perfect solution for keeping your space tidy. What we like? This sorter stands out with its integrated extensible hanging rod, offering a unique dual-purpose solution for laundry. It's a rolling cart with ample bag space. If you need a place to hang clothes while sorting or need extra drying space, this is the perfect fit. What people say. Whites, colors, and darks each have their own bag, and the overhanging bar is great for things that don't go in the dryer. It fits perfectly in my laundry room and helps keep everything organized. Canvas sorting bags are stiff but relax with use and time. Hanging rod is super helpful. This was super easy to put together and love that it has a hanging rack for the clean cloths. It works perfect in my little laundry room and the wheels help move from room to room. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.